Hello everyone! For today's video ay magluto tayo ng tauge with green and yellow chives and pork.
Yummy!
Ito yung mga ingredients, green and yellow chives. Ang green at yellow chives, tapos ko na nahugasan at nalinisan at na-slice ko na rin. And then meron tayong spring onion at chitik mushroom. Then pork na na-slice ko na at saka yung tauge. Yung tauge, tinanggalan ko yung both sides niya. Pork marination, maglagay tayo ng light soy sauce. And then kunting white pepper. Then kunting sugar. And then mix. And then lagyan natin ng cornstarch. And then mix well again. And then set aside. And then ipan-fry muna natin yung pork bago natin lutuin. Next type of cooking, maglagay tayo ng mantika sa kawali. Ipan-fry muna natin yung tauge and sprinkle natin ng konting asin. Mabilis lang ang pan-fry nito. Another pan-fry naman tayo. Yung green at yellow chives, ipan-fry natin. Mabilisan lang ang pan-fry nito sa green at yellow chives. Ito na yung final cooking. Maglagay tayo ng mantika sa kawali and then ilagay na yung spring onion at chitik mushroom. Pan-fry lang ng sandali and then ilagay yung pork. Then ilagay yung tauge. And then yung green at yellow chives ilagay na rin. Then, lagyan ng cooking wine at 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Then, sugar at kunting white pepper at chicken powder. Then, mix para mahalo mabuti ang mga ingredients. Siyempre, tikman natin yung ating niluluto kung sakto na ba yung taste niya. Then, lagyan natin ng sesame na mantika. Itong recipe na ito is mabilis lang ito maluto. It's done guys. Thank you for watching.
Yummy!
I-serve na natin. Enjoy!